Hey guys, we're back at 10:17. I'm going to copy this list of 45 on the way up. Battling for a very nice AFA 85 Boba Fett. There he is. He's a sweet peach. I'm going to paste the list in here of 45 entries. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 10. We're good to go. Good luck, everyone, as we begin our battle. Raymond, round 1. Andrew, round 2. Dennis, 3. Patrick, 4. Dennis, 5. Scott, 6. Grant, 7. Steve, 8. Patrick, round 9. And our winner is Scott Bacon. And at number 10, congrats, Scott. Here's the verification code and official results. EXNJAJ. Scott Bacon, number 10, is the victor. Get at me, Scott. We'll figure it out. I'm done at 10:18. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.